We're filming a video. We're filming a video. Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Today's video is finally a skincare video. It has been forever. I used to do a ton of these videos, but I have nothing to share with you guys, so what's the point? This video will be how I got rid of, for the most part, my acne and how I did that from within, in the internal, inside the body. And for the purposes of this video, I have not put on any base or foundation on my face. Disclaimer, this video is how I got rid of my acne as of the past 2 years. All fine lines, all former scars on my face are there to stay. They have made homes on this surface area. There's nothing I can do about it, but you know what? Everything's a-okay. Also, this is my hair in its natural state. No, I don't have luscious, amazing hair. Those are all extensions. I just came from the gym and took a shower. Here we are filming a video. So if you're interested in how I got rid of my acne, please stay tuned and I will share them with you. Let's get rolling. I do have an acne story video that I will link down below if you'd like to know my backstory. But in a nutshell, I started getting acne around like middle school, high school-ish, and then it just continued pretty much. It hasn't officially stopped, but it's gotten a lot better. Now, I think it's important to start off with how my old routine was. Again, I have a lot of skincare routine videos. You can, backlog. I'll try and link as many as I can down below. But basically, I had a ton of products that I put on my face just to manage my skin. Now, at the time, I thought that my routine was really good because I saw my skin getting better. But if I'm going to compare it to now, it's light years away. So my old routine, I did cleanser, then I did toner or an astringent, I did moisturizer, I did masks, both like for cleansing masks, sleeping masks, and I did it on a regular basis. Now, how does my routine match up to what I previously used to do? My skincare routine in terms of products is a one-stop shop. I just cleanse my face morning and evening, and I still use the same cleanser. Let me grab it. Oh, well, there you are. I still use the Philosophy cleanser. That is still my favorite cleanser. It doesn't strip my skin. It still feels very soft, and it takes everything off my face, like legit. So how did I manage to clear my skin for the most part, but also take away so many steps in my routine? I basically changed the way I ate. Surprise, it works. For those of you who are new to my channel, I have been on this weight loss journey for 2 years now. Yeah, 2 years now. And since then, I have seen a tremendous impact on my skin with basically how I eat and how I drink. So I'm going to share with you how my routine goes in terms of eating. I'm gonna ballpark it for you because I don't want it to seem like you gotta do this, get clear skin, Things that I do may not necessarily work for you, but I'm just gonna share in case, something you might wanna try. On the daily, I get about 4 to 5 servings of vegetables. I start off my day with a green smoothie. I have kale and spinach on the daily. I have apple cider, I have ginger, flax seeds, chia seeds, and some form of liquid. Like, that's my initial start to the day. And then I'll have vegetables with other meals. I also get 2 servings, sometimes more, oftentimes more, because I love fruit. I've always loved fruit, so if I want to eat more, then I do so. In addition to that, I drink a lot of water, like a lot of water. Normally, I have about 200 ounces of water every day. That may seem like a lot of water, but I do exercise 6 times a week, so I do need to replace the water that I've lost. And because of that, I did give up a lot of my sweet drinks. I still have them occasionally, but if we're talking within a month, I may have a sweet drink once. Every other time I'm drinking, it's water. I don't know if you can see it back there. My flask has gone through the ringer, but I carry that with me everywhere, even in locations that says no drinks allowed. Rebel. And a good rule of thumb I find that works for me so that I can, still get my cravings throughout the day is the 80-20 rule. 80% of your entire caloric intake for the day should be, you know, healthier options, and then you might want to treat yourself with that extra 20%. Now on treat days, the percentages tend to balance out a little bit more for me because I treat myself a little bit more than I usually do. However, it's never entirely off balance. I won't be 100% bad. I'll always make sure that I have my vegetables and my fruit. I will have them for the day. An important tip that I would like to stress is to keep track of the things that break you out. It may seem like it's impossible, but you can figure out your trigger foods and what, you know, breaks you out even more than you normally would. Hormonal acne, it is what it is. But if it's food based or dietary based, you can definitely, you know, pinpoint what it is. I've noticed that I have two trigger foods, one being dairy and the other being soda. I do know that if I have those things, there's a chance, a very good chance, that I might get a little pimple somewhere. Is it worth it? Sometimes. A pimple for a pizza? I'll take it. But since taking care of my body and how it's reflected into my skin, even when I have those things, it's not a big cystic acne like I usually get. So my results have been amazing. I've noticed a tremendous difference. People have noticed a tremendous difference. People come up to me and be like, your skin's looking a lot better. I'm like, thank you. I've never heard that in my life, ever. God bless you. If I can find pics from before, then I'll put them up somewhere. But if I can't, then you can refer back to my old videos where maybe I do tutorials or like a skincare routine and I'm completely barefaced. My skin will not look as good as it does now. Granted, the quality of my videos have been better, but trust me when I say that my skin was far worse back then than it is now. And with getting my acne a lot more under control, I've also noticed that my skin feels a lot like plumper. It's so much softer and smoother, and it's definitely a lot brighter. And yes, my skin is definitely far from perfect. However, if we're gonna compare it to what it was before and how it is now, I'll take this any day of the week. I truly believe that what you eat is reflected in how you look because of personal experience. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. If you have any specific questions about my skincare that maybe I didn't go over, please let me know. If you guys like this video and would like to be updated on future videos, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It will be the first link in the description box. And that's where you can find a list of all the products that I use to put makeup looks together, regardless of whether or not it's a makeup video. Now, for today's video, I'm not going to place it up there, but you can always follow me for future videos and previous videos. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Until the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking really good care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys. Oh, I have nothing on my face. I feel like I can do like ASMR.